So today we're going to be seeing how to make a sprite glide across the screen. So if you haven't already, go ahead and open up Scratch. I have it up already. And since we're going to be writing a new script that involves our sprite over here, the Scratch Cat, it's always a good idea to rename your sprites. So go ahead and rename it to something meaningful. I'll rename it to Cat. And it's also a good idea to always start your applications with the when green flag clicked blocked. That way we have a standard to whenever you want to start something, you press the green flag. It's also good practice to set an initial position to your sprite. In this case, we can go into the motions menu over here at the upper left corner and find the go to X and Y block and set it accordingly. We'll set it to -200 and 0, and that should be good for us because we want to make the cat glide across the screen from this point all the way over here. If you don't know which coordinates to place in these boxes, if you look over here on the right below our stage, you can see these X and Y coordinates, and those reflect the X and Y coordinates of the mouse. So if you want to see a position, let's say over here where the mouse is at, we can look at our window over here and you can see that it reflects the X and Y positions of the mouse. So now for us to make the cat glide across the screen, if you look under motions, there's a glide block, and if you double click on that, you'll see that the cat will glide to the position specified, in this case 0, 0. If we press it again, it doesn't do anything. Well, that's because the cat is already at 0, 0. So let's go ahead and set this to something more meaningful. Let's say across the screen that will be about 200 and Y 0. And if we press the green flag, it'll reset the current position of the cat, and then we'll make it glide. Let's watch that again. See? Now the gliding is still a bit fast, so we can change the time that it glides. So we can say glide for 2 seconds to X is equal to 200 and Y is equal to 0. I'll do that again, and now it's slower. So on the next video we'll be seeing how to make the Scratch Cat walk across the screen. I'll see you then.